na tawag nating ROI or return of investment. Bago ka kumita ng mga TF na malalaki, before ka matipan ng marami ng mga tao, marami kang effort na kailangan gawin sa drag. So, it has to be your passion. If you want to get into drag as work, girl, it's not gonna work out for you. Kasi, it took me almost 3 years bago ko magawang full-time career ang drag. Noong una, hobby ko talaga siya, passion ko talaga siya. So, pag magda-drag ka, yun talaga yung dapat mong mindset. Para sa'yo siya, hindi siya para kumita ng pera. Sa totoo lang, simula para siya magwaldas ng pera, sa toong buhay lang. Do you want to build your own house? House of Chanel. I do have a drag house. It is the Chateau de Chanel. Wala lang para maarte. Bakit? Tsaka para hindi kagaya ng all. So it's the Chateau de Chanel. I have 4 drag daughters. Ang pinaka-active naming member, as in terms of like sa drag industry, my most actively working drag daughter is Regina Gorge. You can support Regina Gorge and all of the other crib mates sa Crib Plus Nightclub in QC. Tapos, my other drag daughter is Rocky Star, also known as Gab Villegas or Gab Star. Makeup artist and hairstylist, sikat na yan ngayon. As in, after doing Marina's hair for the preview cover, kung saan na siya nabubuk, nominated siya for the next hairstylist sa Mega Fashion Awards. So proud. We also have Miss Faye Surviva, ang aking current assistant, current protege, baby drag queen in training ko. And then, of course, yung nakita nyo sa makeover episode, si Michael. Michael is a dear close friend of mine. And nag-start na rin siya mag-drag after we filmed the show. Makikita nyo siya minsan sa Vanta in Pampanga and also sa Meet Cute Cafe when Meet Cute Cafe does viewing parties for Drag Race. Sa Maceda naman yon. Ayan. Okay. Guys, spoilers ain't cute. Spoilers ain't cute. Asking for spoilers ain't cute either. So let's enjoyin nyo na lang yung season. If gusto nyo mag-spoilers mag-isa, go. Manood kayo, mag-search kayo ng spoilers. Pero wag naman kayong walang delikadesa nagko-comment ng spoilers sa lives. Like, chill out. Mama, when will we see you sa Vanta, Pampanga? Chay, meron na ba tayong confirmation sa booking sa Vanta? Meron na ba? Meron na bang confirmation? Kasi gusto ko rin mag-show sa Vanta, totoo lang. Kasi the first time na pumunta ako sa Vanta, nag-PA ako para kay Mike. Ginawa niya akong PA. Wow. Want to start to do makeup? Do you have any advice on where to start? Look up as many YouTube tutorials as you can. Watch YouTube tutorials, TikTok tutorials, absorb as many tips and tricks that you can, and then go to your table, go to your makeup bag, and then do it without a video. Do it on your own, do it by yourself. Just freehand it, freestyle it, because you allow yourself to discover what makeup works for you. Learn the techniques online, learn as much of the tips and tricks that you can, and then apply it to yourself without relying on the video. Because what you don't want to do is try to do someone else's face on your face for the first time. Hosting workshop when... Ayoko, bottom ako sa challenge na yun eh. Chari! By the way, oh my God. So, meron nagbigay sa akin ng gift kahapon sa Drag in the South. And I love personalized gifts as in. So, nagbigay siya nitong pouch. It's a very cute jelly coin purse na may anik-anik. But also, look at this. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Look at that. It's a keychain of my entrance look. So here it is. Hamarap ka, be. It's a keychain of my entrance look. Isn't that so cute? Like, I love personalized gifts like this. Sa totoong buhay lang. This is so precious to me. Like, I will keep this forever. Anyway, are you a Virgo queen? I'm a Virgo rising. I'm a Pisces stellium. So I am a Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus in Pisces. Tapos my rising is Virgo and my Mars is in Libra. Who I gave that. Oh my God, Venica, thank you so much for this cute keychain and the pouch. As in, sobrang... Alam nyo, anik-anik girly ako, alam nyo yan. Like, I'm an anik-anik when... Sorry. I'm an anik-anik girly through and through. So, pag nabibigyan nyo ako ng anik-anik na personalized, gigigil ako. Mix, what advice can you give to a teen struggling in life? Ano? Girl, that ain't the half of it. Charot. Sobrang cliche. Like, alam mo, nung bata rin ako, ayoko rin itong naririnig. Sobrang ayoko rin itong naririnig. But, totoo siya that it gets better. Honestly, like, yung mga problema mo now, wala pa yan sa kalingkingan ng mga problemang mapagdadaanan mo later on in life. But also, the problems that you're going through now, when you make it out of those alive, those are the experiences that are gonna make you stronger and more equipped to face the problems that you will have later on in life. Because problems can get more difficult, but you will also get stronger as a person. Not to glamorize naman yung mga tragedy natin pinagdadaanan sa buhay, but it does. It gets better. Totoong buhay lang. You become... Sometimes the problems get harder, sometimes it's the same problems, but you as a person, you can get through it. You improve as a person. You get stronger, you get more resilient with the things that we go through. Kasi hindi naman perfect ang buhay. Sa totoong buhay lang, hindi perfect ang buhay. Paano ba malaman ng star, rising, and moon channelin? Stress na ako riyan. Download the CoStar app. Tapos ang kailangan mo lang doon is your exact time, date, and location of birth. Tapos lalagay mo lang yun doon lahat. Tapos sasabihin niya na sa'yo yon. Mix, bakit hindi family member makeover last episode? So during the time of filming, I only had one immediate family member in the Philippines kasi my siblings are all in different countries at that time. So nung time na yon, yung mom ko lang yung available technically for filming. Pero kasi may vertigo din yung mom ko and she's not in the best physical condition to be able to go through the long shooting day. Isipin nyo guys, yung makeover partners namin, sinundo early in the morning, tapos madaling araw na sila nakauwi. Ganun kahaba yung shooting day for the makeover challenge. And hindi kakayanin ng physical health ng mom ko yon. If pinasok nila yung mom ko, baka hindi ko tinuloy kasi my mom's health means more to me than any competition. So, I'm kind of glad na hindi rin siya yung kinuha for it kasi I don't know if kaya niya physically yung hinihingi nung challenge and a competition. Mama, how did you discover your signature mug? So, nung nag-start ako mag-drag nung pandemic, before ako mag-post ng any photos ko in drag makeup, siguro mga nakalimang different practice runs ako. Like, parang 5 beses ako nag-makeup on my own, no photos, just looking at myself, looking in the mirror, and taking down notes of, okay, ito yung mga nagustuhan ko about this round, ito yung improve ko next time. Ganun siya. Tapos nahanap ko lang, parang over time din naman nag-evolve siya and nagbago yung mga techniques ko on how to achieve my signature mug. But, siguro do makeup that suits your face. Huwag kayo mag-makeup in the style that someone else tells you to. Gawin nyo kung ano yung sa tingin nyo mabagay sa inyo. Hirap nyo naman mag-jowa live rin si Baus. Hayaan mo siya. May sarili siyang buhay. Charis. Working on what? Ano yung working on this? Ala, ano tong working on this? Wow. Ano yon? Good luck sa mga may exams tomorrow. Mix, do you have a favorite song to perform? One of my current favorite songs to perform is Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. Also, Heated by Beyonce, one of my favorites. Dati naging favorite ko yung Wow, Kylie Minogue. And once upon a time, naging favorite ko din yung Levitating, Dua Lipa. Oh, So Much Better from Legally Blonde the Musical. The Legally Blonde the Musical, the whole thing is on YouTube. Panoorin nyo siya, promise. You will not regret it. Favorite musical ko siya of all time. Mix, paano ka nagko-commute from Marikina to Ateneo? Nag-jeep ka din ba pantang Katipunan? Yes. Jeep ako bababa sa Katipunan sa may Petro. Love your heated performance wearing that bikini. Miss ko na nga eh. Hataong buhay lang, miss ko na mag-heated. You're so Sabrina Carpenter coded. Oh, girl! Okay, this is like the real tea. Yung style ko now, yung drag aesthetic ko now that's being showcased on Drag Race, sa totoo lang, sawa na ako. Like, I love all the looks that I presented. I still stand by them. But now, as an artist, I feel like my style has evolved. And I wouldn't make the same choices that I do now. So, abangan nyo yung next era ko, I guess. Like, wait for the next era of the Mix Chanel drag aesthetic. Kasi, mas vibes ko na ngayon. Medyo pop girly, medyo hubadera, medyo burlesque. Medyo parang nasa ganong realm tayo now. Mix, kailan ka po magpo-perform sa LU ulit? Kung kailan tayo mabook sa performance sa LU, kung kailan tayo mabook sa bar or sa event sa LU, let's fucking go. Book nyo lang ako anywhere. Email nyo lang kami ng handler ko kung saan nyo kami gustong papuntahin. Kaya namin pumunta ng basta booked. OMG Mix Spicy Era. Spicy Era. Y'all have been seeing the hubadera side naman of Mix Chanel for a while now. Pero parang more like, flavor every now and then. But I kind of want to dive deep into that and just explore that side of my drag. Parang, my drag on Drag Race is very baby girl. I wanna get into the mature roles. Magre-review ba ako or just gonna watch nyo lang? Mag-review ka, be. Huwag mo akong gawing rason sa katamaran mo, wow. Tapos pag bumagsak ka, sisihin mo ako. Hindi ako nag-review, pinagod ko live mo, wow. Inutusan kita. Nasa dirty era ni Christina Aguilera. True, pero dapat nabango pa din. Rain Vargas. Ate Mix, thank you po for making me happy. I love you po. Rain, I hope you're doing well. Mix, I need a sign. Mag-review ba ako tonight kahit wala akong quiz bukas? Ikaw, be. Ikaw. Buhay mo yan. When's your next live performance? Y'all can catch me every Wednesday for the rest of the season at Buchanan viewing parties. After that, ano bang calendar natin? Let's look at our Google Calendar real quick. Natanggal yung music. Okay, wait. Babalik ako yan. Wait. Tingnan ko lang. Loading yung calendar. So you have a viewing party on Wednesday. More on content shooting ako for the next week. Tapos, I think, tuloy ba ang tuloy ba yung One Big Pride? Tuloy ba yun? Confirmed ba yun? Di ba kasi, viewing parties. That's day 2. We have Drag in the South day 2. So same lineup as the show yesterday. We have a show sa Dits next month, sa October. And then, oh my God, so excited for this. We also have the Plastique show. So may One Big Pride ako sa Ateneo sa October 4, if I'm not mistaken. So Ateneans, see y'all there. Tapos meron akong Plastique show, andun si Plastique, Pangina, Evil Queen, Marina Summers, Izzy Extra, Emperadora, Dawn of Destruction, Miss Jade, Minty, Matilda, me, Kiana, and Jay Quinn are gonna be at the Plastique show sa October 10. That is the day after the 10th episode of Drag Race Philippines. But yeah, see you there if pupunta kayo doon. Yung face card mo pwede na pang bayad sa counter because it never declines. Sana nga. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, kung pwedeng ganda yung ipambayad ko sa lahat ng bagay, yun na yung pinambayad ko kasi ang mura ng buhay ko kung sa ganun. Charis. Sana pupunta ng school UST tour when sabihin nyo sa UST i-book ako. Kayo pumunta dyan. Tapos sisigaw ko sa mic, fuck the patriarchy. Charis. Going through the comments. What's your favorite season of Drag Race from the original franchise? Season 9? Season 7? 50? Actually, sa totoo lang, the seasons that are in multiples of 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, they all 8, honestly. Ang ligalig, ang funny. Naalala ko na naman, kahapon, sa Drag in the South, habang nag-iikot kami for tips, may mga sumisigaw-sigaw. Sumisigawan ako habang nag-aabot ng tips. Parang, bakit ako sinisigawan? Pag ganun lang, na-overstimulate si bakla. Uy, kalman nyo. May nag-mention sa'yo sa comments. Tinatanong ko, ikaw daw ba jowa ko? Secret! Di ka mabook ng PUP kasi may budget cut kami. Nagkaroon na ba ako ng email from PUP? When it comes to like school events and advocacy events, willing naman kami to negotiate for the budget. Email nyo lang kami. Like, we understand naman pag mga ganyang cases. And sa totoong buhay lang, I really enjoy doing school performances. Kasi, alam kong marami sa inyo, minsan lang talaga makapunta sa minsan lang makapunta sa drag shows. So, ayun. Will Buchanan have a viewing party for finale sa day ng release mismo? Hindi ko pa alam fully kung anong plans ng production in terms of finale. But usually, parang every season, nag-giveaway kami ni Baus sa viewing party ng production. At least for the past 2 seasons. Kasi, Baus has also been booked to be the host of that. So, hindi naman na kaya mag-host ng Buchanan at ng finale ng production at the same time. Siguro po mga nag-stock yung mga yan, hinanap yung mga tats na ahas sa kamay. Mga chismosa! Si Keroberos ba yun nasa likod ako? Si Keroberos, yun yung jowa ko. Si Keroberos yung jowa ko. Hi Mix, come to Chicago. Oh my god, if y'all book me in Chicago. Zimba Ding is here. Hi Zimba Ding. Congratulations sa'yo, Exquisite. Edi chismoso ka. Edi pinatunayan mo lang na chismoso ka. Chis. By the way, so iconic nung 3 seasons ng girl group nyo kahapon. Hindi ko alam na mangyayari yun. For more, hindi ko alam na ako yung unang verse. So kung ako yung unang verse, edi sana mas bigay ako. Akala ko parang kimi-kimi lang na parang okay, go background music, DJ, ganyan. Hala. Pala talaga siya, beat pala talaga siya, naka-remix lahat ng verses namin. Uy. Mix, where did you study? I went to Ateneo de Manila University. Isama mo po kami sa DragCon. Bili kang ticket mo. Ako gastos lahat. Wow. Sorry na lang Kala nyo naman ganun kayaman. Whew. Dapat sa TikTok na ang live next time. Ayoko, baliw mga tao sa TikTok Baliw mga tumatambay sa TikTok Are you a bookworm po ba? Hindi na kaya na attention span ko. Like, self-aware, hindi na kaya ng attention span ko magbasa ng libro. But I love listening to podcasts. I love listening to podcasts. I love listening to video essays. Yeah, ayun. That's the kind of reading that I do. Listening. Parang, basta yun, gets na yun. Mapag-graduate ko, apply ako sa'yo, prod staff. Be, hindi ganun kalaki yung kinikita ko para magpasweldo ng maraming tao, huy. For more, hindi kami kumpanya. Tropa-tropa lang kami dito. Tropa-tropa lang kami dito, huy. Greetings from Mexico. Hello, Mexico. Kailangan po ba natin ng abogado? Sana hindi. Sana hindi ko kailangan ng abogado anytime soon. Sana hindi. If not, drag, ano sa tingin mo career mo ngayon? I'd probably still be in the advertising or marketing industry. Kasi before ako nag full-time drag, I was still balancing a day job as a graphic artist for an events and marketing agency. So yun, probably still be doing that. Nung pre-pandemic then, I was doing improv workshops on the side. So, I'd probably still be doing improv. But yeah. Are you listening to an audiobook? If yes, do you have any recommendations? Ayun nga, hindi rin ako nakikinig sa audiobooks talaga kasi yung attention span ni bakla, hindi na talaga kaya. Hindi na kaya ng attention span ni bakla. Ano na ako? I like listening to podcasts and videos kasi I like yung conversational na tunog of it. So I like the fact that para akong kasama sa conversation nila, pero hindi. Gets ba? Basta mas gusto ko yung ganong casual vibe and mas nakukuha niya attention ko. I've tried listening to audiobooks and at some point, talaga, ano yun? Basta parang nawawala yung utak ko. Ayan na naman tayo sa mga nagko-comment ng spoilers. Tigil-tigilan nyo yan. Hindi yan cute. Fresh, ganyan ba pag in love? Ano prayers pag ganyan? Ano, walang prayers. Minsan kailangan mo lang talaga dumaan sa maling tao para mahanap yung tamang tao. Huy, cheese! See you on October 30. Ano meron sa October 13? Drag in the South Night 2. Yes, see you! Kung kasali si J. Quinn sa reading challenge, ano read mo sa kanya? Ate ko, hindi ko in-expect na I didn't expect to see you in this competition. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na makakapasa ka ng psych eval. Basta gayon. Something like that. Basta baliw yun eh. Bakit ako dami ng maling dumaan? Anyari na. Ganun talaga, minsan maraming maling taong dadaan sa'yo. Sorry. Babes, what's next ba after getting tested? Honestly, that would be the best. That question would be the best to ask your nurse. Or kung sino mang physician or kung sino mang nagda-test sa'yo. Kasi, depending on your lifestyle, maybe they'd recommend you to celibacy, abstinence. Minsan, lang yan, practice safe sex. Minsan, parang the best step is mag-start ka ng PrEP. Sometimes, equip yourself with DoxyPep. Or, if you turn out positive, edi start the treatment immediately. Ganun na kabilis ngayon. Hindi na siya parang, I started my treatment immediately after getting tested. Podcast recommendations po. I love the Trixie and Katya podcast. Ang crazy na energy nila. I haven't tuned in a while, but Race Chaser was definitely a big inspiration for us starting the Bekeneman podcast. Podcast ni Baus Rufo, maganda din. Na-enjoy ko rin yung podcast ni Baus Rufo. Yung, kaya pa ba? It was self-test kasi, babes. Then see a physician, see an actual parang HIV expert. Ano po difference sa ugali ni J. Quinn on cam and off cam? what makes it to air. Honestly. Ang difference sa personality niya is what makes it to air. A lot of... she said what she said, but also, she said a lot of things that you didn't see on camera. Ganun naman for all of us. Kasi, guys, sobrang haba ng filming days namin per episode and you only see 1 hour of it. 1 hour and a half if you watched on top. So, imagine how many things, how many aspects of our personality get lost in the edit. Also, parang I think pinag-usapan namin to ni Baus and ni Jade in the most recently uploaded episode of Bekenemen. But meron talagang subconscious effect yung pag on camera ka, may parang like medyo in-game ka talaga. Parang pag alam mong maraming camera nakatutok sa'yo, pag nakadikit na yung lapel mo, as in para kang, okay, on cam ako. Like, reality TV show cast member ako. May ganun siya. So, parang medyo mas mataas yung tensions. Basically, mas mataas yung tensions, mas mataas yung energy ng mga bakla. And in real life, mas laid back kaming lahat. Compared to, maligalig kami. Oo, makukulit kaming lahat. Pero parang in real life, baka magulat kayo, medyo mas like, kalmado kami in real life. Kasi, sobrang iksi nung nakikita nyo on camera, on the edit. Like, swear. It's not a blame it on the edit moment, but also, imagine nyo na lang how many hours of footage you don't see. At hindi naman ibig sabihin kung ano yung nakikita nyo on camera, ganun na yung personality namin 24/7. Gets ba? I hope that enlightens people with, with their thoughts and with forming their thoughts and opinions on the show. Kasi, yes, we're real people. Yes, it's a reality TV show. But also, that's not what you see is not the end all be all of our personality. Gusto ko makipag-talk about K-pop sa inyo, J Queen. Hi, podcast nyo naman. J Queen is a much bigger fan of K-pop and P-pop than I am currently. Ako medyo parang yung peak K-pop stan days ko, ano talaga yan? 2009 to like maybe 2011. Tapos after nun, bumalik ako sa K-pop mga 2015 to 2017. Doon ako as in yung like, girl, magkaroon lang ng magkaroon lang ng yung tipong parang magkaroon lang ng onting picture si Young K ng Day 6 na nakalabas ng onti yung chest niya. Baliw na ako. Pero yung mga panahon na yun, medyo parang calm down. It's just a picture, girl. Calm down. Drag queen that you look up to, I will always say this. Before I was her friend, before I was able to work with her and get to really hang out and bond with her, I was a fan of Marina Summers. Marina Summers for me will always be the lighthouse of Filipino drag. Siya ang aming North Star. She kind of, with the mainstreamification of Marina Summers, it just is like an inspiration of the lengths and the achievements that Filipino drag can do. So I really find her and her achievements very, very inspiring. And parang, I wanna be like her when I grow up. Charing. Wala pa ring topless si Young K, diba? Girl, parang lumabas na siya lahat sa army. Wala bang patakam dyan? Charing. What's the difference between performing sa bar and performing sa Drag Race Philippines? Sa bar, meron kayong audience. Sa Drag Race Philippines, your only audience is the production team, and sometimes the production team is instructed not to react as much. Thoughts on your Lucy or Jan edit? It's what it is, an edit. Like, I don't know, it's an edit. It's an edit. It's how they portrayed it on the show. What thoughts do you want on that? When ulit Guts performance? Grabe nun sa pop-up ate. Ooh. Siguro pag nagkaroon if magkaroon ng Olivia Rodrigo drag show, parang to build excitement for the concert, that would be, I'd love to do that. Biggest pet peeve, honestly, when like critics or bashers online pretend like they know us as a person based on a reality show. Yun yung biggest pet peeve ko. Like, you know, ang nakapanood nyo lang is me, is the version of me that makes it on the edit. And again, it's not a blame it on the edit moment, but like, girl, that's an hour out of like, how many filming days, how many hours do we film? Biggest pet peeve ko is people that act like they know us. Like, yeah, you get a peek into our personalities, you get a peek into our lives, you get a peek into our backstories, you get a peek into our talents and capabilities. But girl, that's just a TV show. We are much bigger people outside of a show. So, like, don't act like you know us just from a show. Best experience in Drag Race Philippines, the Rusical and the Makeover Challenge were honestly the most fun times of my life. Like, nag-top ulit ako sa Rusical, tapos next day, nakabonding ko yung best friend ko. Wow! Ganon! Ang saya nun. Nakasecure po ba kayo ng ticket sa Olivia Rodrigo? If oo, sama po ako. No way, I did not. Nasa Butterboy Drag Brunch ako that morning. Nasa Butterboy Drag Brunch ako that morning. Tsaka hindi ko na rin in-attempt, honestly, kasi alam kong may hirapan akong makuha ng tickets. I don't want that stress in my life. Plus, parang 700,000 yata yung nasa queue. So parang, don't have time for that. Don't have the patience for that. And also, like, I love the idea. I love the idea na 1.5 lang per ticket. But at the same time, I, as a fan, personally, would not mind paying a little more money to know what seats I'm getting. Girl, magsistress ako, magbabayad ako ng 1.5, o sige, mura. Tapos may malalaman ko ang seats ko dulong-dulo. Parang wag na lang pumunta ng Philippine Arena. Di ba? Evil the Queen or Marina Summers, why do we have to pick, girl? Why can't we just enjoy drag excellence? Your nails look so nice, but where did you get them done? I get my nails done at Claws by K. Search KLAWS underscore, I think underscore MNL here on Instagram. Any HIV advice, Ma? I want to know more about HIV. Baby girl, you know what the best thing to do is? Go to Google, type HIV, search. If you want to know more, there's a lot of resources online. I think that's the best advice I can give to anyone that's curious about anything is look it up, Google search it. Like, give into your curiosities, learn more. Hindi natin we don't always need a person to hold our hand about every educational moment. This Night 2 performance teaser, please. Since y'all enjoyed the Rusical so much, iniisip namin ni Zimba to do the Rusical, pero iba naman yung casting. Basta yun. No promises yet. Pinag-iisipan pa lang namin. Pero gusto ko rin kasi mag-perform ng solo number. Alam nyo yun. Parang gusto ko din. Nico, gusto nyo bang mag 2 numbers kami? Okay lang ba yun? Hala, ang Ate Jiggly dito na. Ate Jiggly, ano naman sinasabi mo? I have the DNA test. Your Manila Luzon's long-lost daughter. Buti sana kung kiniklaim niya. Buti sana kung binibigyan niya akong pera. Tatanggapin ko yan kung bigyan niya akong pera, ma. Kung nanay ko siya, pengi allowance, ate. Gano? Personally, your best local makeup brands, I use a lot of Get Ready With Me for my drag makeup. And for my daily makeup also. I use a lot of Get Ready With Me. I use some BLK products as well. Always welcome, basta pasabog dahil anime show. Okay, heated sa Drag in the South. Miss ko na yung pesa na yon. Heated sa Drag in the South. Sino gusto makakita ng Heated by Beyonce sa Drag in the South, press 1. Press 1. I love your full Pisces energy. Thank you so much. I have come to embrace it also kasi wala na akong choice. 4 yung Pisces placements ni Bakla, so wala na akong choice. Laba, okay, go! Heated World, balik natin ang Heated World Tour Mix Agenda. Matagal nang nagpahinga yung pyesa na yun, Chay. Hala, okay, go. Heated at Drag in the South. Go, magpapapuwet tayo sa Drag in the South. Go. Magpapawax tayo sa para sa Drag in the South. Go, avail. I love your Megan pyesa. Ate Jiggly, ikaw din naman yung nagsabi sa akin na parang paulit-ulit ka na dyan, kaya tigil. Wow! Jiggly Caliente. Charis. Runaway with me na lang. Oo nga, no, ang tagal ko nang hindi ginagawa yung Runaway with me. Okay, sige. Sa Drag in the South Night 2, dadali ko yung Heated. And then, if meron pa tayong next na upcoming Drag in the South show, soon, wink wink, tsaka natin lalabas ang Runaway with me ulit doon. Okay? Kahit na paulit-ulit, I love it. Ang dami nyo namang request. May dates pang isa. Okay, go. Runaway with me. Lalabas ulit natin sa Drag in the South yung Runaway with me. Two things can be right. Dami mong gusto sa buhay, Jiggly Caliente. Eh, kung pumunta ka kaya dito, miss ka na namin, huy. Mix Chanel concert, mix A. Wow, pinagod. No, the thing is with me, sobrang, like, I'm very particular with the looks I'm very particular with which outfit goes with which number. Onti lang yung damit kung pinapalit-palitan ko yung songs. Kasi intentional yun, yung parang, I really design certain clothes to go with certain songs. So, yon, ganun yung atake ko. So, parang, hindi ko pwedeng i-medley yung mga signature na performance pieces ko kasi iba-iba yung damit nila. So, yun yung mahirap doon. When ang one-woman show, babes, never. That sounds like a lot of work. That sounds like pagod. That sounds like no. But, I do, parang next year, I do want to do a birthday show. And I want to use it as of course, I want to feature yung other Ru girls that are super close to my heart, but at the same time, I also want to use it as a platform to showcase more local drag talent. Why didn't you reimagine some of your spotlight piezas? Yung spirit, I do kind of want to bring back at some point. But I think, it's lived out its fantasy for me for now. But, eventually we'll get there. Anyway, it is 10:18. I think I started this live mga 9 p.m. So it's been an hour. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. Happy Monday. It's getting a little late. Magpahinga na kayong mga kailangan magpahinga. Matulog na yung mga may maagang pasok pa bukas. So, thank you so much for hanging out with me on another Mix Monday. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week ahead at manood po kayo ng episode 8 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3 on the correct streaming platforms. Hindi po correct streaming platform ang Telegram at mas talong hindi correct streaming platform ang TikTok. Ayusin niyo yung pamumuhay niyo. Magkano lang ang subscription, be? Kape nga sa Starbucks, carry, tapos yung subscription, wow. At yung subscription, isang buwan mo may enjoy. Tapos yung Starbucks, parang 5 minutes lang. Wow. Charis. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. Happy Mondays. Good night. At good luck sa mga kailangan ng good luck sa kung ano mang ganap nila this week. Bye!